The Western trends we're seeing this season are really a dichotomy of two different looks. So you're seeing this glitz glam with leopard, metallics, really fun. People are looking to get out there, go shopping, and go out to concerts and be seen. Then you're seeing this contradictory look that's Americana, it's clean, it's classic. It really embraces the spirit of the West. We see this sometimes when we go through challenges of economic times or health pandemics. People are looking for something that's really comforting to them, and that's where we embody the spirit of the West. The other great thing right now is Western is actually a trend in the mainstream right now. So Western's current, you're seeing everything from booties to tall boots, and it's great, it's relevant. Styling boots is my absolute favorite. That's what shows your individuality. That's what makes you who you are. You can stand out from a crowd. So one of my favorite ways is with fashion. I love the Ariat Dixon. I wear it with a skinny jean, cuffed, a concho belt, and then you have so many options for tops. Then if it's my performance boot, I personally am loving the cutter toe right now. That I wear with a wide leg jean or a trouser. Sometimes I cuff the bottom too. Our boots are so special because they're the total package. It's design, innovation, comfort, and technology. Our team goes above and beyond to research and find out from our athletes what is it that they need to make their boots better. We've gone up to our proprietary facility and we hook our athletes up to electrodes. We put them on a treadmill, we watch them how their foot works, and just to understand the ergonomics of the foot and how they're going to use it when they're calf roping, team roping, barrel racing, and make sure that it's consumer right. To top it all off is style. So we travel to Europe, New York, LA, and then we go to major rodeos, Houston Rodeo, NFR, looking for what are the latest trends, and then we interpret them to be right for the Western consumer. So whether it's a great stitch pattern, whether it's a stud we see on the runway, we make it all come to life and bring you these great boots.